dance through the highways, and on we'll go. So okay, I just woke up and I forgot to take my makeup off last night, so, but I'm doing the week intermittent fasting and keto chow with I'm doing the week with intermittent fasting and keto chow with Aaron, so that's my starting weight. I'm kind of shocked because, well, I haven't weighed in a couple days, but I was up to 233, and that was also before I started my period. So kind of happy about that. It's really cool. And I just want to sleep all day, and it's like 11 o'clock. I gotta get up. I gotta get this. I gotta take a shower and let's makeup off. My dog wants to see me, so I'll check in with you soon and tell you more about it. I went to Dollar Tree last night, and they had some feminine foaming wash and creamy coconuts. And they had these again. I love these. These are comparable to the EOS. I also got this super cute dish drying rack that I'm just keeping my coffee stuff on top of until if I need it. What else did I get? Oh, I got my fall things. I got these super cute eyeball flowers for Halloween. I got this Kylo Ren cup. Anyways, when I was at Aldi yesterday, I didn't really get a lot of stuff food-wise, so I'm sorry I didn't do a little haul. But I got this. From the same brand that I got the apple crisp and the caramel. So this is a pumpkin spice blend. Oh, you want to know what else I got from Dollar Tree? The Glade pumpkin spice air sprays that go into the little spraying devices. And the Glade nutcracker scents that go into the plug-in warmers. $1 for 2 packs. Wow. Anyways, back to this pumpkin spice. I'm waiting to try the Bones one, but I'm trying to wait until more people use my code so I can get more money off. So that's what we're doing there. And today I'll be drinking out of my Kylo Ren mug. So I have to. Got this at Dollar Tree too. What you think? No, I've had this, but yeah. We gotta empty it. Let's open her up. Link hair everywhere, I swear to God. It's back. I feel when I work on Saturdays, I just don't have time for anything. I don't have time to rejuvenate. But it's okay. I'm working for the weekend this week, guys. Because then I'm going to be off. This fly needs to get out of here. Every time I open my door, one gets in. Get out of here. Go to the Venus flytrap. First off, I don't know. This one doesn't really have a pumpkin spice smell. To me, anyways. It kind of just smells like coffee. This one might be a fail.
Oh my god, that smells disgusting.
My coffee? Mm-hmm. It doesn't smell bad, but it definitely doesn't smell like pumpkin spice. I am a little disappointed. I will say that. Yeah, it kind of stinks. No, I'm on my last nut pods that they sent me. No. Got this at Dollar Tree too. Keep one in my car. It's not a lot. It's only $45, but it's okay. I will try it without any flavoring in it first to see if the flavor comes through like the others and like my my bay bones. Let's see. I do not taste pumpkin. I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of the Omega Power Creamer pumpkin spice. I do have a discount code in the description. So the Power Creamer is basically a flavored MCT oil with ghee. It is good, I like it. It's actually almost gone. Now let's try. It has a little bit more flavor. Man, but I really have to doctor it up. I shouldn't have to doctor it up. I didn't have to doctor the others up. I mean, I gotta like it, right? Gotta add all the things. Now it's good. But really, look at everything I had to do to it. I could have made it taste like pumpkin without having the pumpkin flavored coffee grounds. So that's a disappointment. It smelled weird. It didn't taste like pumpkin alone. I had to add things to it to taste like pumpkin. I'm gonna go drink this and get ready to start cleaning, because look at my sink. That is not even nowhere near as bad as the rest of my house. Don't mind me, this is my Saturday look. So I had some of the keto granola in some almond milk, which it wasn't terrible, but it wasn't really that great. I would prefer just to put it into my yogurts like I usually do. I had 3 waffle chaffles, and I'm gonna eat this yogurt and finish my coffee. Oh, link hair. I'm annoyed because I had to wash a spoon because we have 2 spoons. Two. I had 25. Nobody knows where they are. That's a lot of spoons to go missing. I don't do the dishes Corey does, so I don't notice when I'm seeing less and less spoons. Also, out of all of my new dishes that I got a few months back from Jenny, I had 8 of everything. I now have 5 bowls. I know one of the smaller plates broke, one of the bigger plates broke. I'm so mad right now. Anyways, a package literally just rolled up to my door. I can't even talk. Left Coast Performance sent me this. If you've noticed a theme here, I get a lot of products from Left Coast Performance. They send me all of their products to try out, and I really enjoy them. This, actually, I'm really excited because I can put this in my coffee. It is a MCT oil collagen flavored powder. So this is really cool because it's like everything in one. I am definitely going to be using this probably daily in my coffee as long as it tastes good. Now, I know that I already have doctored up my coffee to be pumpkin spice, but what's pumpkin spice without a little vanilla? So we're gonna try it. I really do like Left Coast Performance stuff though. I've had their MCT oil pills, I've had their collagen, I've had their vanilla flavored bone broth. I used to put that in my coffee. I still do sometimes. I've had their collagen pills. I've had their MCT oil. I mean, they have lots of different things. Lots. They're sold on Amazon. First, let me look at the carbs. I didn't even think about that. Okay, so it's 1 net carb per scoop. It's 4 total carbs, 2 fiber, and 1 erythritol. So 1 net carb, that's not it. You're adding in flavor, you're adding in MCT oil, and you're adding in collagen. I can never get these lids off. But for 1 net carb and for 7 fat and 4 protein, and you're getting all the benefits of the MCT oil and then the collagen, which this is also sweetened with monk fruit and stevia. This is good. The ingredients are MCT oil powder, hydrolyzed grass-fed collagen peptides, monk fruit, and natural flavor stevia. leftcoastperformance.com. This is what it looks like. It smells really good, like a birthday cake, vanilla almost. I gotta find the scoop. Ooh, I hate this when the scoop is lost. Also, I was gonna make like eggs and bacon and stuff today, but guess what? I can't even meal prep today because I completely forgot last night at about 10 p.m. I had to call the gas company and they had to come shut off my gas to my stove because I had a gas leak. And I have to wait till Monday to call. One scoop is a lot. This is a big scoop. Hey guys, it's about 3 o'clock. I'm going to pick up Tiffany and then I have to go to Meijer to get some more almond milk and some floor cleaner and excuse me, cleaner for the counters. I did remember just this very second that I actually have a $10 credit to Grove Collaborative because one of you used my link to sign up and you got 5 free items, so that was really cool. Thank you for that, because I get $10 for every new referral that I make on there, and I don't often push it, but it is cool. I had used my friend's code when I first got into it because I love the scents, and I do use their products. I can buy their products at Meijer, so a lot of the times that's just where I get it. But it is cheaper and they do have more scents and whatever on the website. But that's actually why I'm going to Meijer for my cleaning supplies, because I absolutely love the scent. I've not found another cleaner that I love the scent as much as that. They have that acorn spice. I'm obsessed with it. It's a limited edition scent, so it's only around for this time of the year. I should have showed you guys last night my Dollar Tree haul, if you will. Those pumpkin spice sprays and Glade plugins, only $1, when those things are normally around $5, 3 something. So that is really cool. So my friend Sonny told me that she saw somebody use a Quest bar on the Chaffle maker and make like a cookie. So I'm gonna try this, okay? I'm gonna take a little piece of my Quest bar. I'm using the double chocolate chunk. And I don't know how well this is gonna work. I'm scared. I'll let you know here in a second. So while that one's in there cooking, I decided I'm gonna try to roll this out. My counter is clean. I'm gonna try to like flatten the Quest bar with a rolling pin. Roll it out the best I can. This is so weird. I mean, if anything, it's a good time. Best thing to do on a Sunday is roll out Quest bars. Okay. So now you can like break it into a few pieces to chaffle up. It's like a little star. Hey, I'm gonna put these 2 on there. So, ooh, it's soft. It's like a little bite size. How do I feel about this? I feel like it's lost some of its chocolatiness. But it's kind of good. It's kind of like the crispy part of a brownie. And it was warm. And it wasn't as tough as the original state of the Quest bar. Okay, I see you. We'll let it cool. Alright, so do I recommend doing this with the Quest bar? If you are just like, if you don't like the texture of a Quest bar maybe. It's not horrible. But I'd just as rather eat it as a Quest bar. I mean, it's warm. It gives you the feeling that you're eating a cookie or a brownie, but it kind of loses the flavor. So tonight I'm gonna make burgers in the air fryer since I can't use my oven. So don't mind my dishes. My boyfriend always yells at me if he watches my videos and he's like, yo, presentation, clean your kitchen. This is real life. This is a vlog. I bought these at Meijer. And we're all friends here. I'm gonna flop one of those bad boys in. Flop one of these in. I wish I had a bigger air fryer sometimes.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm about to cook dinner. So I got my burgers. They're about to go in. Be back.
No.
Sorry for the noise.
Alright, so I'm going to eat dinner and then I'm going to close out the vlog. I'm going to edit what I have to edit for tomorrow and make my keto chow for tomorrow. So I will show you what I am eating. I had a salad with spinach and 2 chopped up radish, about maybe a tablespoon and a half of ranch and half of a cucumber. And then I have 2 burger patties with 1 piece of cheese cut in half, some mayo, sugar-free ketchup, and mustard on 2 slices of the sola bread. That's dinner. I'm washing it down with a Diet Dr. Pepper, and then I got some editing to do and shower and get ready for bed. It's already 7 o'clock, you guys. So I'm closing out the vlog. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on Monday.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and